By now, you all should know that I still love car audio and car audio tech stuff, but this time I have a little something different for you guys. It's still audio and definitely tech, but check this out. This is the RetroLife R517 vintage turntable. Although it has a nostalgic look and feel to it, it has modern day features such as auxiliary out and Bluetooth. The dark brown or cherry brown finish matches my home decor perfectly. It uses an Audio-Technica MM cartridge needle. The MM cartridge can track your record's grooves with precision for high-definition audio, offers excellent channel separation and low distortion for outstanding tonal quality. It has a built-in speaker, and although the built-in speaker is not very robust, because it has RCA line outs, you can connect it to an external amplifier and play your music from the record player through your amplified system. The R517 is the perfect size at 17 inches by 14 inches, and it's an all-in-one unit coupled with 4 speakers, extra large cavities for more surging bass and clearer treble. The full-range speaker delivers true stereo performance with detailed sound that fills the room. It's very easy to connect to Bluetooth. Just simply switch the toggle over to BT, turn on your Bluetooth device for pairing, locate the vintage turntable in your menu, select, and you're ready to play. When using Bluetooth capabilities, you can play your audio through the built-in speakers, or switch to line out and play through your externally amplified speakers. The balanced S-shaped tone arm has an adjustable counterweight with hydraulically dampened lift control and lockable reset for proper balance. Keeping the stylus centered in the groove when the tone arm slides across the records reduces sound distortion. When moving the tone arm to play a record, the R517 turntable reaches the speed of 33 or 45 RPM immediately and effortlessly. To avoid a copyright strike, I am playing YouTube DRM free music, but please trust me when I tell you, these internal speakers have a very nice, natural, warm sound to them. The R517 is very easy to use, very user-friendly with little to no setup time. Connecting to Bluetooth, it's as simple as connecting any device to Bluetooth. Balancing the tone arm takes a couple of turns if necessary, and all you have to do is play, turn up the volume, and enjoy. If you're looking for a wonderful Father's Day gift that'll bring back great memories and last for years to come, please visit RetroLifePlayer.com, search the products for the all-in-one player R517. You will not be disappointed.